We all have bad days or bad weeks when we're feeling down, going through a tough breakup, or maybe after someone has passed away. Depression is kind of like that, but instead of eventually lifting, those feelings linger for weeks and months, and they can get even more intense. Sometimes you try to cope with alcohol or drugs just to escape or numb your pain. You start to avoid other people because you're embarrassed and ashamed of how you feel. Thoughts of not being around anymore creep into your head, and suicide promises an escape from what feels like endless suffering. So I'm Beharry, Project Manager for Heads Up Guys. Years ago, because of depression, I tried to end my life. I was incredibly lucky to survive, and luckily learned that even after that, recovery was still possible. Looking back, one of the main factors that prevented me from reaching out earlier was the social expectations around what it meant to be a man. I figured shit out on my own, not sharing what was happening with others, and just trying to tough it out. Suicide is the second leading cause of death for men under the age of 50. In fact, men account for 75% of suicide deaths every year. This is a serious public health issue that can't be ignored anymore. Like I did then, many guys still feel like they can't talk about depression and suicidal thoughts. They're afraid to reach out, and they end up suffering alone. Men need resources that are designed and tailored to them. They need resources that provide them with guidance, direction, and hope. Resources that let them know that there is support, there are people that want to help, and unlike me, they don't have to try to end their lives before they learn that recovery is possible. At Heads Up Guys, we're working to become a resource for millions of men around the globe who are looking to pull themselves out of depression and lead a life filled with purpose, joy, and connection. Heads Up Guys isn't just about awareness or a place to find support. It is a platform for hope, and one that our team cares deeply about continuing to provide. We hope you care too, because to not give a damn means to give up hope, and we're not prepared to do that.